Good morning children, welcome to the chemistry online class. Hope all are fine and safe at home. In the previous class we were discussing about exhaustible natural resources. We learned about coal and petroleum, how it is formed, what are its uses, etc. Today we are going to learn another type of exhaustible natural resource, that is natural gas. Natural gas is a very important fossil fuel. Like petroleum, natural gas was also formed from the organisms living in the sea. So let us learn more about natural gas in detail. So children, what is natural gas? Natural gas is a mixture of gases rich in hydrocarbons like butane, methane, propane, etc. Hydrocarbons means compounds containing both hydrogen and carbon. Natural gas stored under high pressure in the form of compressed natural gas or CNG. So children, what is CNG is very important. Now, what are the advantages of natural gas? Natural gases are eco-friendly. It is very convenient to use, economical, it is very safe and reliable. Now, what are the uses of CNG or compressed natural gas? CNG is used for power generation. CNG is now being used as a fuel for transport vehicles because it is less polluting. It is also called as a cleaner fuel. CNG is used in oil and gas and pipeline industry. It can be used directly for burning in homes and factories where it can be supplied through pipes. CNG is used for domestic purposes. That means it is used as cooking fuel. Natural gas is also used as a starting material for the manufacture of a number of chemicals and fertilizers. In India, the natural gas has been found in Tripura, Rajasthan, Maharashtra and in the Krishna Godavari Delta. Children, what do you mean by petrochemicals? You already learned about petrochemicals in chapter 3, synthetic fibers and plastics. What are petrochemicals? Many useful substances are obtained from petroleum and natural gas. These are termed as petrochemicals. So what are petrochemicals? Petrochemicals are chemical products derived from petroleum, also from fossil fuels and renewable sources. Moving on to the last topic of this chapter, that is conservation of exhaustible natural resources. Let us learn what are the concerns and what are the solutions to conserve the exhaustible natural resources. Conservation of exhaustible natural resources. We know that coal and petroleum are fossil fuels. It required the dead organisms millions of years to get converted into these fuels. On the other hand, the non-reserves of these will last only a few hundred years. Moreover, burning of these fuels is a major cause for air pollution. Their use is also linked to global warming. So, what are the solutions to conserve the exhaustible natural resources? In India, the Petroleum Conservation Research Association or PCRA advises people how to save petrol or diesel while driving. The important tips are: first one, drive at a constant and moderate speed as far as possible. Second one, switch off the engine at traffic lights or at a place where you have to wait. Third one, ensure correct tire pressure. And the last one, ensure regular maintenance of the vehicle. So children, today we learned about natural gas and how to conserve the exhaustible natural resources. With this, our chapter was completed. In this chapter, we learned about exhaustible natural resources like coal, petroleum and natural gas. I hope all of you understood this lesson. Go through the video URL attend the test questions and copy the notes. I have also attached textual exercise of this chapter. Download it and study well. See you in the next class. Thank you, children.